Are you feeling burnt out at work? Are you unable to meet your deadlines even though you work 40 hours a week? If you answered yes to even one of these questions, then you need to prioritize your time. But the question is, how? Hi guys, welcome to Book It Review. I'm Raji and today we are going to see the review of a book called Deep Work by Cal Newport. Did you know that Bill Gates has something called the Think Weeks, where he disconnects from his life for a few weeks out of a year and does nothing but read books and think deeply? And the author J.K. Rowling actually books a hotel room alone and writes all her novels there. So there must be something that these hugely successful people are doing that we aren't. And according to this author, that is the difference between shallow work and deep work. Deep work is so rare, valuable, and meaningful that not everyone will be able to do it. Today, I'm going to give you just 3 tips in which you also can do deep work. The first one is embrace your boredom. That is, when you are bored, just be bored. Don't go on your social media and scroll your way through life. Don't watch a movie, don't listen to songs, even though these are all very tempting things. Just sit alone with your thoughts and let your thoughts flow, because this is a very meditative procedure in which ideas can come to life. So the author recommends that you sit at least an hour a day to think. I think it could be life changing. Before I give you the second tip, let me ask you something. In your 8 hours of work, how many hours do you actually work? Most of us, including me, work only 4 to 5 hours in our 8 hour working time. Does this mean that one can actually complete their work in 4 hours instead of eight? The second tip is to remove all the distractions in your working environment, like your friends, your social media, your phone, whatever it is. Just make sure that in the 4 or 5 hours that you work per day, your complete focus is only on your work and not anything else. And the third tip of the day is to actually love what you're doing. And this is a pretty important one, because only when you love what you're doing, you will be able to give all your mind, heart, and soul into your work and make sure that you succeed. There are many more brilliant tips in this book for you to do deep work. For example, every morning, create a checklist which contains of your day's priorities and go about finishing your tasks in the same order. And many more things, like delegate your least important work to other people so that you can concentrate on the more important tasks. So yes, I found this book pretty interesting. I've been following these tips for the past 1 week that I finished this book, and I think it's made my life a little bit easier. I do hope that you pick this book up and read for yourself to, master your focus and increase the quality in your work. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.